getting away. He's getting away. Ted, tell him he's getting away. Come on, Ted. Oh, gosh. Look how big that thing is, Ted.
Wow.
We're going to need a big net for him.
Yeah.
Woo, it's a little striper. Striper diaper. Push the button and put it back in the rod holder. Just push the button and put it back in the rod holder. Up, put the rod tip up. Up, keep that rod tip high. That's a good one.
Get the net. Get the net, boys.
Turn that way. Reel this one up. Just reel it up till the weight's at the top.
Got him off there. Here, get that net. Here you go.
You think you're in it.
There you go. That's more like it there. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
You drop that back
We'll
down.
take a picture of that.
I'll drop it back down.
All right, I know I got it. There you go.
That's a good eating size there.
Yeah.
Y'all want to keep it?
No.
He said he was trying to get your fish from you. Yeah, that's the good eating size in my opinion.
That's what you want.
All right. Here, Ted, hold this.
Just take your time with him. Take your time. Enjoy the fight. Enjoy the fight. Me in here with you. So,
Oh, these are active.
yeah, that's a quality fish there.
That's a good one there.
Damn, you getting to be good at this, Eddie. Hey. Rod, back in the rod holder with the clicker on. I'll get you schooled before long. Here, let me get the holder. Give me that boat. Oh, here, it's right here.
It's picking
There you
up. All right,
go.
thank you,
That's-
bro.
Some did have it.
Somebody get away from you.
Yeah, he did, man. He
That's
probably
all
wasn't
right.
nothing. He's probably just a nibbler. He wasn't
He wasn't no damn.
a window shot.
Wasn't no 20 pounder.
Nah, he wasn't doing nothing. He was just jerking.
It seemed like he was doing something funny. Now, something had it.
It got bit.
Yeah,
Look.
look at it. Something.
Push the button and put it back in the rod holder after I get it. Let me have it. Now push the button, put it back in the rod holder. Something had a hold of him.
Yeah, something got his little ass.
I'm gonna get it out of there. Get it out of there. Take your time, like I told you. Oh, that's a bass. That's a damn ditch picker. Just sling him in the boat. That's good. That's good. That's good.